Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your UK tax return online. First, ensure you have all your essential documents ready, such as your P60, P45, and any bank statements showing interest. If you haven't already, register for an HMRC online account through the government gateway. It's crucial to understand all your income sources and potential allowable expenses before you begin. Once logged into your government gateway account, navigate to the self-assessment section. Carefully select the correct tax year for which you are filing your return. This step is vital for accurate submission. Proceed to input all your income details from various sources, including employment, self-employment, and any rental income, ensuring every figure is precise. Now, it's time to claim all eligible expenses that can reduce your taxable income. Don't miss out on any deductions you're entitled to. After entering all your information, thoroughly review your entire tax return for any errors or omissions. This final check is critical. Once confident, submit your completed return well before the deadline, which is typically January 31st for online submissions. After submitting, you'll see your final tax bill. Ensure you pay any tax due by the deadline, which is usually January 31st for online returns, to avoid penalties. If you find yourself unable to pay the full amount, consider contacting HMRC to set up a manageable payment plan. Remember, staying organized helps. Also, check the description for a link to Grab Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.